Hi, my name is Ignacio and I'd like to share with you one of the latest features that we have added to Secure Delivery Center. As you can see, I have my admin console running and this is an Eclipse Oxygen package definition. I've been looking at the marketplace and I have found the Emmet Eclipse plugin and I'd like to add that to my Eclipse definition. So I'm looking for Emmet, but I don't find that in my delivery hub. So I'm going to add a new third-party library and I will choose Eclipse Marketplace. This will give me the option to search for Emmet and import it to my delivery hub. So I look for Emmet, select Eclipse Oxygen, and this will give me the features that I need to import to install Emmet on my Eclipse definition. So I just follow the wizard and it will download the required plugins to install Emmet. I will look for Emmet in my Eclipse definition and commit and promote the change. That is all you need to get Emmet on your delivery hub. Thank you.